Peace. On with the show. Captain's log star date is day number 19 in the month of February. Year is 2014. Time right now is 10:12 a.m. Pacific Standard. Wednesday, Crush Wednesday, Women Crush Wednesday, Operation Unplug in full effect. 12 p.m. Wednesday the 19th to 12 p.m. Thursday the 20th. Keeping the show moving forward. And if you have been following along, I hope that you have noticed some progress through moving towards the light, keeping things simple, and you feel yourself becoming more illuminated. All I know is that it works for me, and that's why I decided to share. So we'll just keep it simple, and for those who it works for, we invite you head in that direction. Holla at y'all later. Peace.